Anthropic has unveiled Claude for Excel, an AI assistant that works directly within Microsoft Excel to read, edit, and interpret spreadsheets in real time. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. Currently in limited beta for selected Microsoft 365 users, Claude can fix formulas, generate new sheets, summarize data, and explain every action it performs through a transparent and interactive sidebar. Users can query data conversationally, enhancing accessibility and teamwork in financial modeling. The integration deepens Anthropic's reach into financial services, connecting Claude to live market data from Moody's, LSEG, Ignite, and ERA. This enables finance professionals to access real-time insights directly within their workflow. Early adopters like AIG and Norway's Sovereign Wealth Fund report major productivity gains and improved data accuracy since deploying Claude. By embedding directly into Excel, Claude enters direct competition with Microsoft Copilot, which offers similar AI-powered assistance. However, Claude's edge lies in its financial domain, specialization, and cell-level transparency, appealing to analysts and portfolio managers who value accuracy and auditability. Anthropic's approach positions Claude as both a collaborative partner and a data integrity tool for finance. A broader public release is expected following user feedback from the ongoing beta phase. Let's look into today's headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi applauds ISRO for launch of India's heaviest communications satellite. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has congratulated ISRO for the successful launch of India's heaviest communication satellite CMS-03 from Sriharikota. In a post on X, he said, India's space sector continues to make the nation proud and has become a symbol of excellence and innovation. Modi praised ISRO scientists for their hard work, saying their success strengthens national progress and empowers countless lives. India unveils its first homegrown driverless car, Viren. India has taken a big step in autonomous technology with the unveiling of Viren, that is WIRIN, a driverless car developed by Wipro, IISc and RV College of Engineering in Bengaluru. A viral video showed the car smoothly navigating the RVCE campus, showcasing India's growing strength in self-driving tech. The project, 6 years in the making, marks a major milestone in homegrown innovation for autonomous mobility. Samsung to build AI megafactory with 50,000 NVIDIA GPUs. Samsung has announced plans to set up an AI megafactory using 50,000 NVIDIA GPUs to boost chip manufacturing for mobile devices and robots. The move strengthens Samsung's push into AI-driven chip production. While details on the facility's timeline weren't shared, it marks another major partnership for NVIDIA, whose chips power leading artificial intelligence projects worldwide. Zepto drops all fees and offers free delivery on orders above ₹99. Zepto has scrapped all handling and surge fees and will offer free delivery on orders above ₹99 under its all-new Zepto Experience initiative. For smaller orders, a ₹30 delivery fee will apply with no extra small cart or conveyance charges. The move makes Zepto one of the affordable options in India's fastest growing quick commerce market, challenging Blinkit and Swiggy Instamart. Canva launches creative operating system to simplify design with AI. Canva has launched its new creative operating system, bringing design, AI, and teamwork tools together on one platform. It helps users create, edit, and publish content faster and more easily. Built on Canva's design foundational model, the system is designed to make creativity smarter and simpler. With over 260 million users and a $42 billion valuation, Canva aims to make professional design easy for everyone. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.